Two tiny words that can change your life. Sorry and thank you. Life can be messy and connections tangled, but amidst the chaos, two tiny words hold immense power. I'm sorry and thank you. These simple phrases spoken with sincerity can bridge gaps, mend hearts, and rewrite the narratives of relationships, friendships, and families. Today, we'll explore the magic hidden within these two short sentences. Let's start with the word number one, sorry. A bridge across fault lines. Saying sorry is not about admitting weakness, but acknowledging another's pain. It's a humble act of taking responsibility, a bridge across the fault lines of misunderstanding. Imagine a friend feeling hurt by your words. A genuine I'm sorry validates their feelings, opens the door to forgiveness, and lays the foundation for healing. In families, I'm sorry can mend years of unspoken tensions. Parents apologizing for mistakes and children expressing remorse for disrespect. These tiny confessions can rewrite family dynamics, paving the way for stronger bonds built on mutual understanding. The word number two, thank you, a spark of appreciation. Thank you is not just a polite etiquette. It's a spark of appreciation that ignites warmth and connection. Imagine a partner cooking dinner after a long day. A simple thank you acknowledges their effort, fuels their love, and strengthens the bond. In friendships, thank you celebrates your support system, acknowledging a helping hand. A listening ear or even a shared laugh reinforces the value you place on the connection. Within families, thank you fosters a culture of gratitude. Children thanking parents for their sacrifices, and parents thanking children for their presence. These expressions of appreciation weave a tapestry of love and appreciation, strengthening the family fabrics. So remember, I'm sorry and thank you are not just words. They are tools to building stronger relationships. Speak them sincerely and listen with compassion and watch the magic unfold. Because in the end, it's not the grand gestures but the quiet power of these two tiny words that truly change the world, one relationship at a time. So pair these words with actions. Show your sorry through changed behavior, and follow thank you with acts of kindness. Let your words and actions speak a language of love and appreciation, and watch your relationship blossom. Remember, the power lies within you. Speak the words, bridge the gaps, and rewrite your story. One thank you and I'm sorry at a time. Have you ever found a word so small but so powerful so that it could change your life? Words can be tiny, but they can pack a big punch. They can spark a fire in your heart, make you see things differently, or even give you a helpful nudge when you need it. Do you have any words like that? Share them with us in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word magic. Thank you for watching.